Hey guys, today we're going to go through steps for softball, so let's get into it. So first we're going to learn about pitcher, and this is some drills that you can do to help you out. So a glove and a ball, you can use any type of ball that you're comfortable with, and a glove that you're comfortable with. You're always going to you want to get your glove big, and if your glove is not big, we're going to look how big mine is. It's because all the time I went like that. So do that while you're sitting on the couch or something to exercise it out. So I have a ball here. These are some things for softball. First, you could put your thing out, put your softball up, and flip your wrist. Or you could do small ones. See how I'm flipping it? Ready? It's still kind of hard for me to go like that, but these are some easy ones. These are called, these are called flickers for me. Sometimes it's called ledges because ledges, you get to flip your wrist. See how I'm flipping my wrist at the end? Ready? You see how my wrist is like flipped? Let's see. My wrist is flipped. So yeah, you're gonna want to do that a couple times. Go as hard as you can. And then you're going, next drill that you want to do is that you want to practice on going like this and down. Go down, down, down. Because mostly it's about your leg movement more than your hands. So let me show you. So, oh, the ball ran away. So, like this. See my leg right here? Back. And you're not gonna want to take your ball out of your hand right here. Like, you sound like you're moving. Like, you don't want to take it out right instantly. Okay? You're gonna want to go like this. And then you're gonna want to hold it first. Once you're down here, you want to bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. And then once you're in this position, like this, backwards. Now I want to go like this. Sometimes put your leg up and bring your knee and back. Up and back. Up, back. Up and back. Now, with your feet, let me show you because I don't have socks on, so that's fine. These are some things. Easily slide. You can slide, but I like stepping back. Like stepping back. So like that almost. I'm gonna go slow now for you. Like that. Second move, put up your foot. Put that foot. So this is gonna be your position until you jump forward. So this is what it's gonna look like. Okay? You guys are gonna want to step as fast as you can. So far as you can, far as you can. Like that. as far as you can. You can get your camera out or whatever to see how far you got. Like that. Like tap dancing, like that. See how close I got? And I'm all the way back here. So, this is what my feet would look like if I'm actually pitching. Okay? And now, let's look at my waist. What my waist would do. My waist doesn't really do anything except for going back and pushing forward and turning. At the very last move, you want to turn your hips like that. Turn, turn. Okay, so look at my hips. Ready? Turn. They turn. You don't want to keep them still like this. That's stupid, right? Like, no picture goes like that. Okay? You're gonna want to turn. Step. Turn. Okay? Now, let's see what my body does. Okay. Okay, you saw that? And now, if you guys have a couch, for instance, you're gonna want to flick your wrist to that. Like this, ready? Hold on, let me set it up. If I can. This is my couch. Flick those wrists. Flick the wrist. As hard as you can. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to pitcher, what to do for pitcher. I mean catcher. So for catcher, these are some pretty easy drills. I'm gonna set you on the ground because mostly you don't know what to use. So first, they pitch it to you, right? These are some drills. You are going to want to go up more. You're not gonna want to like sit like this, right? That looks stupid, right? Oh no. See, and then you fall over. So what you're gonna want to hear, I'll scare that more. When you catch the ball, go like that and put up your thing more. So like that. So when it's high, pretend like it's high already. Easy. And then some easy drills. You're gonna want to roll, like get your brother or something to roll the ball. Oh no. Get your brother to roll the ball to you like that. Like just some ground balls. Or your brother can teach you pop flies. And for pop flies, you're not gonna want to do that, okay? You're gonna want to get in front of it and turn your glove like this. Like this. You're not gonna want to put your glove like this. You don't want to do that. You want to throw up and catch like that. Throw up, catch. Throw up, catch. I like to call these flies, fly catch, because it's flying and you're catching. Flying and you're catching. If you're scared of the ball, you can get a mask from Amazon, Dick's, stuff like that. And like that. Get in front of the ball. You don't have to have this, your dad or your mom can do it with you, or your brother. If your mom and dad are busy, or you can even do it with yourself like I am right now. Get in front of the ball. Get in front. Get in front. Your mask wants to be in front of your face like that, but like doesn't want to be right here so you can't see, right? Just enough. Like look, I'll turn this side so you can see. You see that? Hey, and you don't have to make every hot fly they throw. Like, what if they're not good? It's okay. Like, I'm teaching beginners and people that need to learn because I'm on an all-stars team and I've been playing since I was 2 months old. So I'm just helping people inspire themselves and help themselves how to train themselves. So parents out there watching this video, just teach your kids some easy basic steps, like how I did, to go like that, and flick your wrist. You don't want to go like this, right? Like when you let go of the ball, you don't want to go like that. No, you want to flick your wrist, flick your wrist. And some easy pop flies to do at home is okay. Just make sure you don't hit a wall or something. And I recommend this for beginners, and I hope you guys have a nice day playing softball, and I hope you guys make it to All-Stars. Bye.